Welcome back to my channel. So today I want to walk you through the process of how to close up a window. Here we've been called out on this job site here to widen some window, and some of them we're going to close them up. Now, closing up a window like this, once you have a arch like this, usually I like to remove the arch. On this particular job, my client don't want to remove the arch. He didn't harder the brick because he's the one who hardered the material for this particular job. Lots of the job, I supply the material, but for this one, I'm only here to do the labor. So he didn't harder any brick, additional brick to remove this. He's saying that he's gonna cover this wall afterwards. My job here is to walk you through the process step by step of what you need to do in order to close up this window here. What we're gonna do here, we're gonna remove the soldier. So we're gonna remove all these bricks, and after that we're gonna remove all the other bricks. So we're gonna remove all the offer bricks. So over here, move this one, so on and so forth. Over here is the same thing over here. You need to remove all the other off, so that way you can tie in the bricks. That way you can tie the joint, just like you see they have it here. So the first thing that I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut out all these ones. Afterwards, I'm gonna string a string line, put it right on the edge of this brick here, come right across, so that way I can shave off these ones, shave off right here, so that way we can come straight across. Like I said, if it's something that you would leave, ideally you would wanna take out all of these arches, remove these pieces of one, and then you would continue on to tie your brick, come right over. I'm gonna show you how to do this. So sit back, relax, have a coffee, have a beer, whatever you like to drink. I'm gonna teach you how to do this step by step. So I finished to cut this side over here. Now I'm gonna do the same thing over the other side. Clean up, and afterwards I'm gonna bring it back here to show you what you need to do in order to get back everything in line. Alright, so we finished to cut out all of our bricks. Now our next step is to remove all the half of bricks like these ones. We're gonna take out all the half ones, come all the way down. So we're gonna remove this one here as well. Take out this one. You need to remove this one here as well. So basically you're tying your joint. Afterwards we're gonna clean the joint out just like so. You can either get a jackhammer or you can get a hammer and a chisel. Chisel like this guy here. And you can just go ahead and knock it out just like so. You can either use the chisel like you see I'm using it here, or you can use a jackhammer. We're just gonna keep going until we reach all the way up over both sides. We're gonna do the same thing here. We're gonna remove all the bricks that we have low down. We need to remove this one here. So now we need to level this off. And now I'm doing the same thing over the other side. Our next step is to remove these soldier coats. We're gonna just bang them up. I have one cut, I have So I put a few cuts inside of my soldier. So like I said earlier, there's two ways to remove the mortar from the joint. One way is to get a chisel and a hammer, and the other way is to get a small jackhammer. I don't have one of those small hand jackhammers, so I have a big one here, and this is what I'm gonna use today. I turn it down on a lower speed, so this way it won't damage the brick. So now I'm gonna show you how to chisel the mortar, because we need to have it clear. We need to have all these mortar here removed, so that way our brick can sit level onto our existing bricks. Alright, so I finished to clean out all my bricks. As you see here, it's nicely cleaned out. That way we can add our new brick to it. Clean out right down there and where I'm gonna start. Over here, nicely cleaned out. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a nail here, a nail over that side, string a string line right across, so that way we can use that as a gauge or as a guide to lay our brick right across. All right, so I know you probably won't be able to see as clear as you want to see me here because of the setup. I don't have that much space for to set up my camera, but right now I'm just stringing some line to go right across to start to lay our bricks. I'm just making a full knot here. We're gonna nail this right into our bricks. We're gonna string this end all the way over the other side to the top of our brick, just the same way as we did for this side here. Alright, so we have our line run now. So you see we start from over there, we have our string line. Right over there, running right up to the edge. You want to make sure you have it right to the edge of the existing brick that's already there. Come all the way over here. You want to get it right to the edge of that one. Now we're just gonna lay brick right on the inside of the line. You'll see as we go. You want to match the color of the existing mortar that you have. Here we're going with regular mortar. The mixture of the mortar that we use is a 3-to-1 ratio. We're doing a frog brick here. Pretty straightforward and easy and simple. Install the brick. All you're doing, you're just bringing the brick right up to the line, just like you see I'm doing it here. Now you have frog. You want to turn the frog upwards, just like you see I'm doing it here now. So this is the closest color according to my client, he could find to match this brick that we're using. But ideally, I want to try to get it as close as possible as you can get it. Now each time you go up, you want to make sure you fill right on top of your brick here properly, because you're tying the new brick with the existing brick. So it's important that you fill this in really well, otherwise it's gonna crack and it's not gonna give you a proper banding. So take your time and fill this in properly. It's very, very, very important. So I shove it in and I rub it down. Keep rubbing it right until you get it right down to the line. It's very important to match it with the existing one that's already there. So you want to keep going down right until you get it. This one's right here. It's important to flush that one with the existing one, guys. so solidly. Alright, so finished to install our bricks. Now we're doing some joints. Okay guys, well there you have it. Hope you get value from this video. If you do get value from this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming video like this one. Thank you for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next one. Be safe out there.